Hello everyone, I'm back again today. Today I've got a Wemo Insight Switch. So this little device, this actually lets you see the power consumption going through your Wemo device. We're going to get this set up today and then we're going to show you how to use it, turn it on and off. Alright, well let's get started. Now you already have to have your Wemo application here. Go ahead and download that from the Google Play Store or the Apple iStore. We're going to head into that and you can see I've already set up a Wemo light switch here previously in another video, which I'll put at the top right now. Now, the first thing you have to do is be outside of the application and to go into your Wi-Fi settings and connect to the Wemo device itself. It broadcasts its own Wi-Fi signal, so you'll connect to that and then you'll go back inside your Wemo application and it boots up entirely differently than the first time. Now what it's doing here is opening a connection to that device itself, and now we're going to go ahead and name the device. Now I'm going to call it the Wemo sump pump in this case because in the future I intend to use this as my sump pump. Now they want you to enter in your email address. I tried not to do it. They force you still to do it. Once you've done that, you're actually into the Wi-Fi setup process. This is as tough as it gets. You have to know your Wi-Fi password and your Wi-Fi name. That's pretty simple. Now it's going to go ahead and try to connect to your Wi-Fi. This is the device itself. So if your signal strength isn't very good, this part of the process might not work. Now my signal strength wasn't great. The device still managed to connect very quickly. You can now see my tablet here. It's an Android tablet actually connecting back to the internet as the Wemo device gets onto our Wi-Fi. Now we're successfully connected to our Wi-Fi and we now have two devices set up, which you'll see here in a second. So here's our Wemo sump pump. Now what's interesting about this is you can actually click, get a little drop down of information here out of the device. You can see for how long it's been on, an average per day. You can see your estimated time and you can see how much draw there actually is. In our future sump pump video, we're going to use that draw to cause triggers on and off. Now I'm going to show you how to get this connected to the Google Home itself, the Google Home application. We're not actually going to set up anything specific for the Wemo device today. And the first thing you do is you go into Home Control and you go ahead and you're going to add a new device, which is in the bottom right of the application. Scroll down, find Wemo, and we're going to go ahead here, click on that. And now what they want you to do is actually turn on or off your Wemo switch, one of the Wemo switches on your network. It doesn't matter. Now I did that and then it still took about 30-35 seconds to actually find my Wemo sump pump Insight Switch. Once it's done that, now it's going to ask you to take all of the Wemo devices that were in the application already set up and assign them to specific rooms. This is how the Google application works. So I'm going to go ahead and set that up. Basement, furnace room, that's where I'm going to stick my sump pump. And we're all done. Now this is all set up in Google Home. Now let's set up the Wemo device in If This Then That. So the first thing you actually do here is in the settings portion of the Wemo application, there's a little section that says connect to If This Then That. Go ahead, hit connect, and it's going to bring up a list of a number of different devices. And what you're going to search for in this case is the Wemo Insight Switch. Click on that, and now it's connected to your If This Then That account. You're all done. Well, I hope that demo for setting up your Wemo Insight Switch was very helpful. You can now monitor the power usage on any one device, and you can actually use that now to trigger lots of other actions in your home. What we're going to do in our next video is actually show you how to use that alongside a D-Link water sensor to create an automated sump pump. So get ready for that.